This is the Jerkioh Spicy Curry Premium Beef Jerky, inspired by authentic Vietnamese street food flavors. It comes in tender, savory strips with a bold curry profile and a noticeable chili heat that adds a nice kick without overpowering the taste. The texture is something I really like here. The jerky is tender and easy to chew, not overly dry, which makes it enjoyable to snack on straight from the bag. Each piece is well seasoned, so you get a balanced mix of savory beef, warm curry spices, and spicy chili notes. This is a high-protein, low-fat snack, which makes it a solid option when you want something filling without feeling heavy. It works well for busy days, road trips, hiking, or just keeping a flavorful snack on hand at work. The packaging is portable and convenient, so it's easy to toss into a backpack, gym bag, or glove compartment. No prep needed, just open and enjoy. If you're looking to try something different from traditional jerky flavors, this Jerkioh Spicy Curry Beef Jerky is a great choice for bold taste, convenient snacking, and a street food-inspired experience on the go.